UPI steals debit cards, thunder in e-payments. Bangalore, the convenience of Unified Payments Interface. UPI stands for Unified Payment Interface. This platform is increasing meaning over merchants and consumers alike taking the sheen of debit cards for cashless transactions. While new point of sale terminals, the device where the cards are swiped, are still being deployed as merchants and business want to offer all forms of payments to customers and also because of increasing credit card usage. The preference in repeat the preference towards QR code based UPI transactions. New POS development is physically 2023 to 2024 grew at the slowest pace since the days of domestic show data from the Reserve Bank of India. The only exception during the period was 2021 to 2022 when COVID-19 and the subsequent lockdown hurts. Offline commerce drastically changes. Between March 2023 and 2024, new POS terminal development rose 14%, about half the rate of 28% and 29% in the preceding 2 years to 8.9 million. The fastest growth in the recent year was 2016 to 2017. When new development increases 82% as the direct impact of domestication in 2016, the base was 1.38 million machines. Meanwhile, the development of QR codes for processing UPI payments through platforms like PhonePe, Google Pay, Paytm has doubled in the low 2 years from auto drivers to street corner shops. These QR code stickers has found space at every business point. Accordingly to RBI data, there were 346 million such QR codes in use in March this year. Companies with 172 millions in the same month in 2022. While the convenience of smartphones scan over a card dip is definitely helping UPI growth, the mandate from the government for zero merchants discount rate. The fee charges proceeding transactions is also encouraging merchants to switch to UPI payments.